participate in SIPA for the women's 100 meters. And then thereafter, all the 100 meter sprinters are brought to the track, which is Makarau, Mapucha, and Dixon Kamigeri. Then immediately after that, we've got long jump, the qualifying rounds for Tafaga Chumba, was going for the best qualifying rounds. With the hope that during the qualifying rounds it's going to be. Then later in the evening, we have 400 meter sprinters that are going to the track, that is Dennis Wove, Jeff Donald Shiangwa, and Karen Bush. So that's the whole team, basically the whole team is going on to the track today, save for Ashley and Mapai. Mapai is competing after tomorrow, and Ashley is competing the day after tomorrow for the 400 meter race.
How many athletes are here?
We have 10 athletes here. We have 10 athletes here. Yes. We have 10 athletes here in the competition.
Any other invitations Simba is coming that are happening?
The Simba had visa complications. She couldn't get a visa to attend to the States. So it was risky for her to fly out of the States without that confirmation. So she had to stay put where she was after she was in our plans. So that's the challenge that we had to ask her to stop from the
First day of the competition, guys, what I hope for the expectation for you.
We want to hit the ground running. We want to hit the ground running. This is a qualification period. So as fresh as we can be, we want to perform to our fullest. We rather qualify for the Olympics at the this stage and lessen the burden and the stress for us to compete, to qualify at the later stages, because the number of competitions that we are going to have during this period is going to be many, and the weather is also going to have some effect on the performance of the athletes. So